Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Radio Caca token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out of my channel, showing you guys things like how to buy, how to sell, and lots more. So if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first, we just want to go over to our Trust Wallet and open that up. Once we're in our Trust Wallet here, I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you guys how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB inside of this video. If you guys need to learn how to do that, I'll have a separate tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section down below if that is needed. But all we have to do first off, once we have our BNB inside of our Smart Chain wallet, is just head over to CoinMarketCap and get the link for the contract address and then paste it into our Trust Wallet here. So I'll have a link for CoinMarketCap in the description below and in the comment section as well. So just head over there and I'll show you guys what to do. So if you guys just head over there, you'll see right here the token. And all we have to do here beside contracts, just copy this contract address and then head back into our Trust Wallet. Once we're back into our Trust Wallet here, we just want to go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the 2 lines and 2 circles. Click on that. And then right up in this top search here, we just want to paste that contract address. So we can quickly do that. Once that's done here, we'll see the token. So we just enable the token and then click on done. Now, once we have the token inside of here, all we have to do now is swap on PancakeSwap. So I'll have a link over to PancakeSwap in the description as well as in the comment section down below. So you guys just go ahead and open that up and I'll show you what to do next. And once you guys are on PancakeSwap here, you just want to go to the top right of your screen where you see the Connect Wallet button and click on that. Once you guys click on that here, you guys can just click on Trust Wallet. And then here, we just want to click on Trust Wallet one more time. And then it's going to open up our Trust Wallet here. So we just give this a moment and then we should receive this connect screen right here. So you just want to click on the connect button. And then we can just head back over to our PancakeSwap. Now we'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB right above BNB. Now, for whatever reason, if you guys don't see your balance of BNB right here, it's just because you don't have your BNB in your Smart Chain wallet. So you want to make sure you go ahead and do that. But once you have everything good to go, you just want to click on select a currency and you want to paste that same address that we got from CoinMarketCap right here as well. So if you guys lost that copy, you can just go back to the link on CoinMarketCap that I have in the description. Then you can go ahead and paste it here again. Then you will see the token. So we can just click on import, I understand, and then import. Now, all we have to do is set our slippage tolerance. Now, I didn't see any distinct slippage tolerance for this token. So all we want to do is obviously use this lowest slippage tolerance that we can. So to change your slippage tolerance, you just want to go beside where you see exchange and that little Sangs gear right there. You want to go ahead and click on that. And then right here, we'll be able to set our slippage tolerance. So right now, you guys can just play around. You could try with 1%, but you might have to go higher if the transaction fails. So you could try 1%, then maybe move up to 3 and 5 if the transaction continues to fail. But yeah, you guys can try what you would like. So let's just use 1% for an example, and then exit out of here. Now, all you have to do is decide how much BNB that you want to transfer into the Radio Caca token. So let's just say, for example, we want to do 1 BNB. I can go ahead and type 1 BNB in. And then right where it says insufficient BNB balance for me, there should be a swap button there for you. If you guys just click on that swap button, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you basically your fees and things like that you have to pay. Now, if you guys are happy and comfortable with that, you can go ahead and click on swap one more time. And then your transaction should have a successful notice. And then once you get that successful notice, you guys can exit out of here and head back into your Trust Wallet, and your token will arrive there usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to get the Radio Caca token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.